Hello everyone, welcome to the Darkify Dark Mode plugin video tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through the Darkify Pro version and explore how to configure it step by step to create a fully customized dark mode experience for your WordPress website. If you've purchased Darkify, you can download the plugin from your Theme Atelier account dashboard. After downloading, upload it to your WordPress site and activate it. Then, navigate to the License tab inside the Darkify settings, enter your license key, and activate it to unlock all Pro features. Now let's begin with the Controls tab. Inside the Controls section, we can enable Front-End Dark Mode to allow visitors to switch between light and dark themes. You can also enable Default Dark Mode if you want your website to load in dark mode automatically. The OS-aware dark mode option allows the website to detect the user's system preference and automatically match it. This creates a seamless experience for visitors who already use dark mode on their devices. You can also enable a keyboard shortcut, allowing users to toggle dark mode instantly using a key combination. In the Advanced Controls area, Darkify includes Time-Based Auto Dark Mode. This allows you to automatically switch between light and dark mode based on specific hours of the day. You can also hide the dark mode switch on desktop or mobile devices if needed, and even display the switch directly inside your website menu. Next, let's move to the Admin settings. Darkify allows you to enable dark mode inside the WordPress dashboard. You can activate dark mode for the admin panel, the block editor, and the classic editor. This is especially useful for developers, content creators, and administrators who spend long hours working inside WordPress. You can also define disallowed admin pages where dark mode should not apply. Now, let's move to the Switches tab. Darkify provides multiple switch toggle designs. You can choose from various modern styles and instantly preview how they look. You can control the switch size, customize background colors for both light and dark modes, adjust icon colors, border width, and border radius. If needed, you can enable tooltips for the floating switch or define an alternative dark mode switch using custom CSS selectors. For full flexibility, Darkify generates a shortcode that allows you to place the dark mode toggle anywhere on your website, including headers, navigation menus, widgets, or custom layouts. Next, let's move to the Positioning section. You can select the exact location of the floating switch, bottom right, bottom left, top right, or top left. You can fine-tune spacing using margin controls, define separate positioning for mobile devices, enable absolute positioning, or even allow users to drag and reposition the switch dynamically. Next, let's move to the Colors tab. Darkify includes professionally designed dark mode presets that you can apply instantly. Each preset provides a balanced and accessible color scheme. After selecting a preset, you can further customize primary and secondary backgrounds, text color, link color, hover states, input fields, borders, and button styles. Darkify also allows you to enable dark mode styling for the scrollbar and customize track and thumb colors for a consistent user interface. Next, let's move to the Media tab. Darkify gives you advanced image and video controls to ensure media elements look clean and comfortable in dark mode. You can reduce brightness for images, adjust brightness levels, exclude specific images from dark mode effects, or apply grayscale if needed. You can also darken background images with adjustable intensity, invert inline SVGs, and invert specific images selectively. One powerful feature is the ability to replace images. This allows you to define a separate image for light mode and dark mode, ensuring logos and graphics always look correct in both themes. Next, let's explore the Advanced tab. Here, Darkify provides HTML and CSS restriction options. You can allow dark mode only for specific HTML elements, CSS classes, or IDs. You can also define disallowed elements and force design corrections if necessary. The Pages and Posts restriction section allows you to enable or disable dark mode for specific pages or posts. This gives you full control over where dark mode appears on your website. Darkify also includes a custom CSS panel. You can write separate CSS rules for dark mode and normal mode, allowing precise design adjustments tailored to your theme or layout. In the Extras section, you'll find backup and restore functionality. You can export your Darkify settings and import them into another website. This is especially useful for agencies or developers managing multiple projects. You can also enable cleanup data on deletion if you want plugin settings removed completely when uninstalling. Now let's return to the front end. With Darkify fully configured, your website offers a refined, flexible, and professionally customized dark mode experience. From advanced color control and media adjustments to page-level restrictions and custom CSS, Darkify provides complete control over how dark mode behaves across your entire WordPress site. Whether you are building client websites, running a WooCommerce store, or managing a content-heavy blog, Darkify gives you the tools needed for a fully optimized and polished dark mode implementation. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Darkify.